Come and join us on a showroom tour of Uduit DIY kitchens. Uduit is New Zealand's premium kitchen in a DIY format. For 50 years, this proud Kiwi company has been helping homeowners create superior quality kitchens at incredibly affordable prices. You'll see in the showroom the huge amount of flexibility and choice Uduit customers have, which helps them to create a kitchen that suits both their design needs and their budget. Ideal for DIYers or capable project managers, Uduit's unique flexible offer makes it simpler than ever to design, order and install your own dream kitchen, wardrobe and laundry cabinetry. One of the great features of Uduit is the unique You Size It function on the website, which allows you to select almost any size you wish. This really makes designing easier and, more importantly, optimizes your space. For example, you can change sizes of the wall cabinets, pantry, base cabinets and panels. This flexibility means you can adjust key spaces to fit the appliances you choose, all easily done at your fingertips on the website. This display shows very popular economy options with no compromise on quality or function. Always in fashion, the clean look of Arctic white melamine, with a wood grain accent on the wall cabinets and the island. This display features affordable and robust metal-sided drawers. And all Uduit doors have soft close hinges. This kitchen shows an essential colour along with essential wood grain accent on the wall and island cabinets. You'll see as we move through the displays the large range of the most popular and fashionable melamine colours to select from. The Essentials range covers 12 of the most popular kitchen colours in New Zealand, and you can select from 7 essential wood grain colours, often used as accent tones on wall cabinets and islands. Also, if you're thinking about other colours in New Zealand's melamine colour ranges, just email and ask us. An upgrade hardware feature shown here is adding self-close attachments to the metal-sided drawers system. Here we're stepping up to Uduit's signature high-quality Ultra Gloss and Ultra Touch finishes. These are market-leading European laminates unique to Uduit. Displayed is the very popular Ultra Gloss Pure White with Ultra Gloss Charcoal Metallic colour on the island. The oven microwave tower also adds the textural touch of an essential wood grain. Ultra Touch, available in 5 colours, delivers a smooth, calm, matte finish and is fingerprint resistant. Ultra Gloss Laminate has unrivaled reflective quality with scratch-resistant technology, also available in 5 colours. There are also 3 colour options featuring the subtle Ultra Gloss Metallic look. This display with Ultra Gloss Champagne Metallic and Ultra Touch Pure White on the island, with essential wood grain decor cabinets, showcases the excellent choice of the internal cabinet hardware upgrades you can select. These include upgrade to undermounted soft close drawers, on-bench pantries with bifold doors, pull-out pantry hardware options, base cabinet pull-outs, corner pull-outs, decor and scullery display cabinets. Uduit have developed the unique premium range of kitchen cabinetry which delivers you handle-free living. It's called the Minimal range, manufactured by Uduit, available exclusively in the 5 Ultra Touch and 5 Ultra Gloss colours. The secret to the uninterrupted clean lines is the smart integration of the soft 45-degree doors and drawer fronts into the Minimal cabinet range, creating an easy opening and seamless finish. Here we're showing Ultra Touch Silk Grey with a wood grain accent on the decor cabinets. This display highlights Ultra Touch Tungsten on the wall cabinets, set against Ultra Gloss Tungsten on the rest of the kitchen. Minimal is the ultimate in handle-free design. Of course, Uduit is more than just kitchens. The flexibility of Uduit's cabinetry means you can customize what you need, from tiny spaces right through to large wardrobe, laundry and garage environments. You can make the most of your storage at home with a range of wardrobe options to suit built-in wardrobe spaces and freestanding storage. And the laundry range is a combination of versatile cabinets designed for tight laundry spaces. The focus here is on practicality and usability. Thank you for joining us on the showroom tour. We hope it helps you understand everything we can do for you. If you have a question, just email sales@uduit.co.nz.